Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JE. This is question number 118 out of 150 questions. This question asks, how many hours and minutes are between 10:20 a.m. to 1:15 p.m.? The choices are A. 9 hours 5 minutes. B. 11 hours 35 minutes. C. 2 hours 55 minutes. D. 1 hour 45 minutes. Again, the question and choices are, how many hours and minutes are between 10:20 a.m. to 1:15 p.m.? The choices are A. 9 hours 5 minutes. B. 11 hours 35 minutes. C. 2 hours 55 minutes. D. 1 hour 45 minutes. Do you know how to calculate hours and minutes? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices. Then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. How many hours and minutes are between 10:20 a.m. to 1:15 p.m.? The choices are A. 9 hours 5 minutes. B. 11 hours 35 minutes. C. 2 hours 55 minutes. D. 1 hour 45 minutes. Now to read my answer. Hours, minutes. 12 o'clock minus 10:20. Hours, minutes. 1160 minus 1020 equal 1 hour 40 minutes. Equal 1 hour 40 minutes. Hours, minutes. 0 hours, 0 minutes plus 1 hour 15 minutes equal 1 hour 15 minutes. Hours, minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes plus 1 hour 15 minutes equal 2 hours 55 minutes. Answer 2 hours 55 minutes. Answer C. Now to explain my answer. For a question like this, with the time passing 12 midday, the time passing 12 midday, or if the time past 12 midnight, you will need to add the time up to 12 o'clock separate from the time after 12 o'clock. You need to check out the time up to 12 from 12 o'clock up to 12 o'clock separate from the time after 12 o'clock. So we are going to check the time up to 12 o'clock first, and then we're going to check the time after 12 o'clock. Again, we are going to check the time up to 12 o'clock first, then we are going to check the time after 12 o'clock. First, we are going to subtract 10:20 from 12 o'clock. First, we are going to subtract 10:20 from 12 o'clock. Okay, let's subtract 12 o'clock minus 10:20. 12 o'clock minus 10:20. 20. Look at the minute side first. Look at the minute side first. 20 minutes is more than 00 minutes. 20 minutes is more than 00 minutes. Therefore, you are going to subtract 1 hour from the hour side. Therefore, you are going to subtract 1 hour from the hour side. The 1 hour that is subtract from the hour side is actually 60 minutes when you take it over to the minute side. The 1 hour that you subtract from the hour side is actually 60 minutes when you take it over to the minute side. Okay, so 12, so take away 1 from the 2, leave 1, and take the 1 over to the minute side. That's 60 minutes. 60 plus 00 is 60. 60 plus 00 is 60. So that's 60 minutes. Next, subtract 20 minutes from 60 minutes. Next, subtract 20 minutes from 60 minutes. 0 from 0 is 0. 2 from 6 is 4. Again, 0 from 0 is 0. 2 from 6 is 4. So that's 40. Let's go over to the hour side. 0 from 1 is 1. Nothing. 1 from 1 is nothing. Again, 0 from 1 is 1. 1 from 1 is nothing. So that's 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. So 12 o'clock minus 10:20 is 1 hour and 40 minutes. So between 10:20 to 12 o'clock, it's 1 hour and 40 minutes. Between 10:20 to 12 o'clock, it's 1 hour and 40 minutes. Next, you are going to add how many minutes you have between 12 o'clock and 1:15 p.m. Next, you're going to add how many minutes you have, or how many hours and minutes you have between 12 o'clock and 1:15. Next, you're going to add how many hours and minutes you have between 12 o'clock and 1:15. Next, you're going to add how many minutes you have between 12 o'clock and 1:15. So let's add. For 12 o'clock, that's 0000 plus 1:15 Again, it's 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 115. Let's add. 5 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1. Sorry, again. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 1. Again. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. Over to the other side. 1 plus 0 is 1. Nothing plus nothing is nothing. 1 plus 0 is 1. Nothing plus nothing is nothing. So that's 1 hour 15 minutes. That's 1 hour 15 minutes. That's 1 hour 15 minutes. Between 12 o'clock and 1:15, it's 1 hour and 15 minutes. Between 12 o'clock and 1:15, it's 1 hour 15 minutes. Again, between 12 o'clock and 1:15, it's 1 hour and 15 minutes. Next, you're going to add the 1 hour and 40 minutes to the 1 hour and 15 minutes. Next, you're going to add the 1 hour and 40 minutes to the 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let's add 1 hour 40 minutes plus 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes plus 1 hour 15 minutes. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. Again, 5 plus 0 is 5. And 1 plus 4 is 5. Next, go over to the other side. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's 2 hours and 55 minutes. That's 2 hours and 55 minutes. So, between 10:20 a.m. and 1:15 p.m., it's 2 hours and 55 minutes. Again, between 10:20 a.m. and 1:15 p.m., the time is 2 hours and 55 minutes. Answer C. Answer 2 hours and 55 minutes. Answer C. Answer 2 hours 55 minutes. Again, I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
receive 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with worked out and explained answers by email. Practice, practice, practice. That's the key to passing GSAT. And remember that these tests are also suitable for PEP. That is the replacement for GSAT. So go ahead and start listening to these videos which are suitable for both PEP and GSAT, and start practicing the practice tests with answers that are also both suitable for GSAT and PEP. Start listening to the videos and practicing the tests now. Only $4,000. Email Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com or telephone 353-4752. And remember that this telephone number 353-4752 uses WhatsApp, so we can communicate via WhatsApp if you'd like to. So go ahead, start watching the videos and practicing the tests from now. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.